Hi guys! Today I'm making stuffed chicken breast. If you want to learn how to make this, come to my kitchen. Butterfly 4 pieces of chicken breast with a sharp knife. Try not to cut it all the way through, but in case you do, use toothpick to hold it together. Marinate the chicken with half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of ground pepper. Mix it well and let it sit for 1 hour or overnight in the refrigerator. These are the stuffing ingredients. I have 1 cup of green apple, half a cup of chopped onion, 1½ cup of celery, 2 tablespoons of raisins, 8 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of sugar. Mix them well. Put the mixtures on one side of the chicken breast. Take the other side and fold it over. Use toothpicks to seal it. On high heat, put 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in a non-stick frying pan. Put the chicken in and fry both sides until it turns to golden. Before you put the chicken in the oven to bake it, put some water in the roasting pan and place the chicken on the rack. The water will keep the chicken from drying. Place the chicken in the oven on bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. The chicken is nice and moist. Remove the toothpicks before you slice it. You can serve the chicken breast with mashed potatoes with gravy and cranberry sauce. Or you can serve with rice and stir-fry vegetables. Thank you so much for watching. See you again. Bye-bye.